Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Nguyen and I'm from Canada. Today I'm going to talk to you about dental implant identification using artificial intelligence.
In computer science, artificial intelligence, sometimes called machine intelligence, is intelligence demonstrated by machines, in contrast to the natural intelligence displayed by humans.
What a better way to introduce artificial intelligence than using Siri, the virtual assistant? AI is in our everyday life through Siri's, Google Assistant, Google Search, on Netflix, in our car that drives us to work, and also on social media, how it can always recognize our face and suggest a tag. If we look in the literature, the number of publications on artificial intelligence has really exploded in the past decade. And this started around 2015. But what is artificial intelligence, neural network, deep learning, machine learning? What does all of these terms mean? If we have to regroup them, then yes, all of them are under the umbrella of artificial intelligence. However, machine learning is a computer algorithm that improves automatically through the experience and the use of data. So this is a way that machine use to learn. When we talk about deep learning, this is a subset of machine learning that has networks capable of learning unsupervised from data that is unstructured and unlabeled. So this is their own way of learning and comprehending data. And finally, the neural network is a series of algorithms that endeavors to recognize underlying relationship in a set of data through the process that mimics the way the human brain works.